Good morning. Well, afternoon. I think it's like 1 now. We're getting ready to go to the mall. Kate has a huge mess of toys that I have to pick up before we leave. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I am gonna be doing vlogging from now on, at least for a short while, because I actually do like it and it's easier to edit. You wanna go to the floor? Go. Down. So yeah, catch you guys later. Lunch at Shake Shack. So hot, like 61 degrees. My curls look so dry. I need to wash my hair, but there's no line, so I'm just waiting for my husband to come back from the car so that we can go inside. Good morning. So it's the next day. We went to the mall. We actually have a couple of things to do today, so I'm just making some breakfast for the 3 of us. Life as a mom. My other kids. Here's Aki and Turk and Messy Boots over here. So we have a couple of things to return, so we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go to do an oil change and then come back and clean because we have a mess here. Stay tuned. So we're back at the mall. My husband had to return some pants. We're gonna get an oil change after this, and then we're gonna declutter my house because we have a couple of things we gotta get rid of. Y'all see Cade back there? Yeah, he's playing. But yeah, that's a quick update for you guys, so stay tuned. The things you deal with when you got a husband. So I'm back home. I'm so tired. We got an oil change. We got some food. That quesadilla was actually really good. I had to stop at the post office to drop something off and then go to Walgreens to pick something up. So I'm exhausted. I might just like start cleaning and stuff. I have to refix my closet because all of Kate's clothes fell off the rod. So I need to reorganize all of that. And I think my husband wants to put the new TV stand in the TV room or whatever, so I need to organize like how I'm gonna have everything set up. But I am tired and I had to pack for this weekend, so I'll try to film as much of that as I can. Hi, Poopy. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, I have a couple of events to go to today. I'm with my grandma's and my aunt's birthday. I'm meeting up with my dad, and after I'm heading to CT with my husband and Kate for my godfather and my cousin's birthday. So it's a lot of birthdays in October, so it's gonna be a pretty busy day. So stay tuned because I have a couple of things to do before I leave. So quick update, it's like 10:41. So I went to my grandma and my aunt and my dad's birthday celebration. I didn't really vlog there because I was kind of enjoying my time there, but I am at my godparents' house because at 12 it's my godfather's birthday, and on Tuesday it's two of my cousins' birthday. So we decided to just celebrate it. So I'll insert some clips of the decoration and stuff, probably some snaps, because I don't really feel like vlogging at this event. I'm really like chill and stuff. So I'll insert like clips here and there. I did end up washing my hair, and I did use the OGX Prakushi combing cream, and this is what my hair looked like. Let me just show you guys. I only used that, and I didn't even section my hair off how I usually do, and it still came out bomb. So this is it, and my hair doesn't have a cast or anything, so I'll catch you guys later. This is life. Reason why I haven't been vlogging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys next time.